ASUS TUF VG249QM5A. Review Best Budget Gaming Monitor? If you want a fast gaming monitor without spending too much, the ASUS TUF VG249QM5A is an interesting option. With a 240Hz refresh rate and fast IPS panel, it's clearly designed for smooth and responsive gaming. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The VG249QM5A is a 23.8-inch Full HD monitor with a 1920 by 1080 resolution and a 240 Hz refresh rate. It uses a fast IPS panel with a claimed 1 millisecond GTG response time, making it well suited to fast-paced games where motion clarity matters. For smoother gameplay, it supports AMD FreeSync Premium and G-Sync compatibility. ASUS also includes eLMB Sync, which is designed to reduce motion blur while maintaining adaptive sync. The monitor offers 99% sRGB coverage, HDR10 support, and up to 300 nits of typical brightness. These features make it suitable for everyday gaming and general use, although it isn't designed to compete with high-end HDR displays. You also get gaming-focused features such as Shadow Boost, Game Plus, and Game Visual, giving you extra control over the picture during different types of games. Connectivity includes DisplayPort 1.4, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, and a headphone jack. There are also built-in speakers, although headphones or dedicated speakers will provide a better gaming experience. The biggest compromise is resolution. At 1080p, it won't look as sharp as a 1440p or 4K monitor, especially on larger screens. The stand also only offers tilt adjustment, so you don't get height adjustment. Overall, the ASUS TUF VG249QM5A is best for competitive gamers who prioritize high refresh rates and responsive gameplay over higher resolution. If you mainly play esports titles and want smooth 240Hz performance, it's worth considering. But for productivity, detailed visuals, or cinematic gaming, a higher resolution monitor may be the better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about the VG249QM5A.